Here I try salute to they welcome for football in Pidgin. After match talk am how we see am. I beg if you know so you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Southampton 0 and Manchester United 0. And we get a guy Daffy we be like saying Ogbonge person, Ogbonge man you fan make us tell us about how we see this game. Okay, Daffy, now you see your team performance because now better draw soup. Ogbonge we dey miss with Okro now on our play today with Southampton. How you see the performance today?
I'm not gonna talk say man you not perform well, sha. Man you do well. Yeah, but some games doesn't like that. You just unlucky. Now Casemiro red card then I ain't does weak in the team, you get. So we do well, sha. They say the goals not just come. See now when Fernandez play when Nagba. On the normal day now na go. But in Nagba. Now say the game just one goal. So man you do well, man you do well. That's how I feel talk.
So that red card to you, right decision from the ref or a wrong decision?
Very right decision now. Then a better red card now. I go show person start like that. You say me they not give red card. A red card. A red card. Casemiro too they do. I say they play for Spain that time. If they say VR don't do all those years. For the top red card they come. Now so na red card, na red card, on a red card.
So I want to ask you about some incidents that happened for the match. Yeah, well, we dey watch and some people they shout penalty for the field. Man, you players they ginger the ref penalties. You think say man you supposed to get penalty for this match?
Yes, that one when he touch can work. You know that Peter's hand he touch.
Yeah.
That one a penalty.
So you clear penalty.
Yeah, a
for
very
them.
clear penalty.
So
now.
the ref make
The ref make
are
mistake.
bad,
Yeah, they make mistake. That's a penalty. And then the second one where Rashford be tripped, that will not be penalty. Now Rashford does fall on you. That will not be penalty.
Bruno Fernandes, no.
So we have no Fernandez.
Bruno Fernandes, so when they tackle am.
No, that will not be penalty now. That will not be penalty. That will not be penalty. That one when touch hand, that be penalty. That one a penalty.
So you
Yes.
clear penalty for that
Yeah,
one.
that's clear penalty.
So how you dey see the title race with this result? Many Man U fans believe say Man U get chance before now, but this one now Man City win yesterday, Arsenal win today. How you dey see the title race? Any chance for Man U or make Man U rest? No be everything, no be every animal waiting for bush they go pursue normally.
Actually, if I'm not gonna lie you, it's waiting to happen now. Arsenal dey 66 points, abi. Man City dey 61, Man U dey 50, I mean at 51. They might even forget title race this season. They forget title race. Now either Arsenal or City. And means I never believe say City go fit up with Arsenal. Because you see the Arsenal they play. Arsenal to score no they had them. Arsenal to score no they had them. At the time my brothers, some days guys say Man City they struggle to score. They go play, but they struggle. But Arsenal not get problem. If you score them 2, they will score you 4. If you score them 5, they will score you 10. Arsenal not get problem. So I see say Arsenal don't win the league. If they don't suffer now, better see win the league. Arsenal Man you not get chance. Go look next season.
So Man U Real Betis, Europa League, midweek, how you dey see that one? Man U don already win the first leg. How you dey see the return leg for Spain?
Betis go like proof points for Spain, but no level. 1-1. We play draw 1-1. Man U qualify. Anyhow it be Man U qualify. Man U don't 1-1.
All right now, guy Daffy, thank you for your time. Your face.